Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Docket Padama. This time, ako naman yung magtatanong sa inyo if you have any challenging or difficult questions that you encountered during your research defense. You can share that question in our comment section below this video and I will create a reply video to that question. So, ulitin natin kung meron kayong na-encounter o na-experience na tinanong sa inyo, na na-challenge kayo, nahirapan kayo, o hindi nyo nasagot during your research defense, ilagay ninyo yung tanong na yon dito sa comment section ng video na ito and I will create a reply video for that question. The purpose of this is that I assure you that there will be another subject, another time, and another venue wherein you will be exposed to a research defense again, and there's a possibility na ma-encounter nyo ulit yung tanong na yun. So, if you were not able to answer it properly, maybe the next time na ma-encounter nyo yun, masasagot nyo na because I will already give you a guide or enlighten you on how to answer that particular question. And also, this will definitely help yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-defend. At kapag narinig nila to sa video natin, it will definitely help them and guide them in answering that question. So ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Isulat nyo na yung question kung saan nahirapan kayo, the most difficult, the most challenging research question that you encountered during a research defense. Hihintayin nyo yan. And gagawin natin ang lahat para masagot natin yung mga tanong ninyo. Thank you very much everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!